Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book about the Hornblower's ships, their history and their models by Martin Saville. Hornblower Stories was one of the most expensive series ever made for television. Hornblower's ships tells the story behind the creation of these models through the research, planning, design, and construction by author, the professional model maker Martin Saville. The book also includes a full reference section detailing the ship types, full specifications, historical precedents, and fictional role of the series vessels, as well as scale plans of the vessels that will delight both ship enthusiasts and ship model builders. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.